Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making the taskbar movable. On Windows 10, right-click the taskbar and uncheck Lock the taskbar. This allows immediate dragging. Make sure no app is pinned full screen and that you can see the desktop edge. Once the bar is unlocked, position your cursor on an empty area of the taskbar. You'll feel the pointer change. This first action is necessary because the system prevents accidental moves when the bar is locked, so unlock and prepare the edges now. Now perform the move. Click and hold any empty part of the unlocked taskbar, then drag it straight to the left or right screen edge until it snaps into a vertical orientation. Release the mouse to set the new position. Once vertical, adjust its width by dragging the inner edge toward the center to get more or less icon spacing. If you prefer a cleaner look, open taskbar settings and enable auto-hide or reduce icon sizes. This keeps the sidebar tidy and usable. Finish by right-clicking and relocking the taskbar so it won't shift unintentionally. If dragging to the side doesn't work, make sure you are not in Windows 11 with restricted side placement, that display scaling isn't interfering, and no kiosk or group policy blocks moves. If the layout sticks oddly, open Task Manager and restart Windows Explorer to refresh the UI. This often restores normal behavior. If problems persist, reset taskbar settings in Personal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.